Our today's topic is how to write an abstract for research paper. So let's see what is an abstract. Abstract is basically concise summary of the research paper and which helps in the quick understanding of the purpose of the specific research project or research study. Abstract report aims and results of your research. So how to write abstract for research paper? There are the 4 key points which should be considered in writing the abstract of research paper. And what are these 4 key points? Aims and objectives, brief methodology, brief results, and conclusion. These are the 4 pillars on which abstract is being constructed. So let's discuss them one by one. So first, aims and objective. We start the abstract by defining the purpose of the research study and addressing the research question which is aimed to be answered in the specific research study. After that, you should state the research objectives which are specific to the research problem addressed in your research study. So first step in structuring the abstract is defining aims and objectives of the research study. So let's move to the second step, which is the methodology. So you should briefly describe the research methods used in your research study, which should be specific to your research question answered in the study. Research methodology should give also insight into the overall procedures and approach of your research study, but it should be very brief. Then third, you should discuss in brief form summary of the results of your research study or project, which is represented in the form of research paper, and you should highlight the important findings which are helpful in the understandings of your results and outcome. Fourth step of constructing the abstract is conclusion. So you should state the conclusion of your research, which should highlight the answer to your specific research question, and you should also highlight the future recommendation for your research study. Specifically, future recommendations are important in case of the practical research problem. So in this way, these are the 4 steps which are important in constructing the abstract of research paper. What are these steps? Aims and objectives, brief methodology, specific to the research problem, brief results, and conclusion. So in this way you can construct your research abstract for your research paper. And thank you so much.